Pranešimas vadinasi Theory of Empowerment in Roald Dahl and Ahmad Abdul-Ghafoor. Empowerment autorė naudoja apibrėžimą autoriaus Sada. Empowerment is a process of transition from a state of powerlessness to a state of relative control over one's life, destiny, and environment. For her master thesis, the study of power in Roald Dahl and Lewis Carroll, our author has applied Sada's theory of empowerment and extracted the techniques that were compatible to children's literature and tried to modify this theory by adding empowering techniques that Roald Dahl and Lewis Carroll have employed. Theory of empowerment. Author skiria ar ne kelias: individual empowerment, A, internal, personality construct, and B, external. An internal person has enough information of the environment and of him herself in order to understand his/her powerlessness. She or he gains enough experience and is finally able to control his/her destiny by his/her intelligence or creativity. External people are also powerless and subordinated, but they lack the abilities that the internal people have, and therefore they remain powerless. They never have the internal abilities to be able to do something for themselves and gain control over their destiny. This way, they always need the internal's help. Empowerment of a professional practice. In children's literature, the professional is the writer. Here are some of the tactics that the professional uses. From 1 and 6 are taken from Sada, and 7 and 8 were from the author's thesis. Linking, providing information and knowledge, developing skills, modeling, precise formulation of values, informality in the professional intervention, the use and development of creativity, creating a virtual world. The aim of this study, the researcher has studied Abdul-Ghafoor's "I am not my dad's servant" and asked Matilda line and line in order to decide whether characters are internal or external, to study the employment of these 8 tactics of professional empowerment, to extract other tactics that these writers have made use of, and to introduce the theory of empowerment in children's literature and encourage the writers and illustrators to use these tactics. Ahmad al-Ghafoor, author born in 1970, a famous Iranian writer for children and young adults, employed postmodern narrative style and has published many fictions and novels, so far such as Emperor of Words, Good Night, Commander, The Train of That Night, Southern Dreams, and etc. I'm Not My Dad's Servant, short summary. The story happens in a small village. Among his brothers, Dawood is Dad's most favorite, as he obeys Dad and so he has never been spanked. This is the very thing Dawood is proud of, but his brothers call Dawood Dad's servant. However, one day a bunch of money falls down the toilet well and Dad says that whoever goes down the well to fetch the money will have then 2 months as a reward. Everybody expects Dad's servant to do the job, but Dawood is decisive not to do it. Finally, 2 naughty cousins decide to go down the well furtively and steal the money. However, one of them is stuck in the middle, and it is Dawood's elder brother who not only saves the cousin but also fetches the money. Theory of empowerment in the story I'm Not My Dad's Servant. Individual empowerment. As the hero, Dawood does not have a dynamic character. He is an external character. Like a meek child, he has done whatever Dad has asked all the time. It's only when he is forced to go down the well of toilet that he becomes decisive and refuses Dad's order. However, the only heroic action is that he threatens others that he will throw stones at them. When Dad also holds a stone and threatens him, he runs away. We come across no other significant characters. Empowerment of a professional. Empowering tactics that Akbarpur uses. Linking. Akbarpur uses first-person narration point of view for Dawood, which is good because the reader would identify himself to him, and this way the moods and feelings are transferred easily. However, the character of Dawood is not well organized, and so no empowerment is transferred. Precise formulation of values, developing skills and modeling. The values that Akbarpur employs in his novel are actually of no value. Throwing stone at each other, throwing stones at birds, furtively watch each other into the loo, stealing money from dad's pocket. These cannot be taken as acceptable skills, and so we can say none of the characters can act as an acceptable model for the reader. Unfortunately, Akbarpur fails to use any empowering tactics in this novel properly. The title, I Am Not My Dad's Servant, remains a title only, and Akbarpur cannot expand this idea through his novel. The other story, by Roald Dahl, Karin believes that Dahl will come and practices the very act of dismembering tradition. Matilda, written in 1988, short summary. Matilda is the name of a very small girl who is bookworm. Despite her ignorant parents, she has read many books and is really knowledgeable. She decides to decide on some punishment from her parents, and especially her dad. Also, when she goes to school, by using her magical powers that her eyes start to have, she punishes the cruel and heavily headmistress Miss Trunchbull. Finally, she and her kind teacher, Miss Honey, live together happily forever. Theory of empowerment in Matilda. Individual empowerment in Matilda. Dahl puts no limit for Matilda's power. The only point that forces her to appear powerless is her tiny body. She is really empowered not by physical power, but by mental power. Matilda's personality construct is an internal person. Another example of external character is Miss Honey. As an external person, Miss Honey needs the help of an internal one who is little Matilda. Up to now, I have found it impossible to talk to anyone about my problems. I lack the courage. Any courage I had was knocked out of me when I was young. I know you are only a tiny little girl, but there is some kind of magic in you somewhere. Empowering professional practice and Matilda. Tactic as providing information and knowledge. Dahl introduces some good novels to read. Developing skills. Thinking. The art of being a good actor and being able to lie easily in order to pretend and avoid owning up the fault. Precise formulation of values. Courage, independence, perseverance, care what your children do. Modeling. Matilda's model. Readers identify themselves with Matilda. It is fun, devising splendid punishments for adults. It is okay and even beneficial to take revenges of those who are beastly to you. Reading and educating oneself is an empowering tactic that Dahl uses. Conclusion. The way that Quentin Blake cooperates with Dahl to convey empowering issues is amazing. His pictures not only possess the ironic tone of Dahl, but are also funny and amusing for children. This can add to the effect of empowering tactic. Dahl is quite more successful in using empowering tactics than Akbarpur. By using empowering tactics, children's literature writers can eliminate the otherness of children. Ačiū.